right, Jim, you're behind the wheel of your baby, right? The new Ram Rebel supercharged TRX. You gonna fire it up for us? Are you ready, Andre? Hold on, he's not ready yet. Don't do it. A little bit more suspense. 6.2 liters, 575 horsepower.
Supercharged HEMI.
Happy charged HEMI, yeah. Are you ready, Andre? That can't be street legal.
You know, no matter what you start out your day with,
Yeah.
you fire that bad boy up and you smile, no
Yeah.
matter what's going on with your day. So
Yeah.
it's a great addition to the Ram brand.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.